Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Samsung Case-Ice Part DA97-22160A. Samsung Case-Ice Part DA97-22160A is a refrigerator ice maker assembly. It is designed to fit select Samsung refrigerator models and replaces the existing ice maker in the refrigerator. The assembly includes the ice maker, water valve, and mounting hardware. The ice maker produces up to 8 cubes of ice per cycle and can store up to 4.2 pounds of ice at a time. The water valve is designed to regulate the flow of water into the ice maker for optimal performance. The mounting hardware allows for easy installation of the assembly into compatible Samsung refrige. This part fixes the following symptoms. The Samsung Case-Ice Part DA97-22160A is a replacement part for the ice maker assembly in certain Samsung refrigerator models. It is designed to fix issues such as the ice maker not producing ice, the ice maker not dispensing ice, or the ice maker overflowing. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the refrigerator from the power source. 2. Remove the screws from the back of the refrigerator and pull off the cover. 3. Locate the ice maker assembly and remove it from the refrigerator. 4. Disconnect any wires or hoses connected to the ice maker assembly and set aside. 5. Place the new Samsung Case-Ice Part DA97-22160A in place of the old ice maker assembly, making sure that all connections are properly aligned and secured. 6. Reconnect any wires or hoses that were disconnected from the old ice maker assembly to the new one, making sure. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.